Why you should include fig water in your diet. From weight loss to managing diabetes, did you know starting your day with fig water can provide so many health benefits? Traditionally used to treat various health problems such as heart problems, indigestion, sore throat, and more, they are rich in several vitamins and minerals, making them a good addition to your diet. Good for digestion. If you suffer from digestive health issues, fig water can act as a natural laxative that helps promote digestion. It is also a good source of fiber, helping in improving bowel movements and avoiding constipation. A study published in the journal Pharmaceutical Biology found that consuming figs can help you get rid of digestive problems like constipation. So, regular consumption of fig water may help keep digestive problems at bay. We would love to know that from which country you are watching us. Tell us in comment section. How to prepare fig water? It is super easy to prepare fig water. All you need is to soak 2 figs in 1 cup of water and keep it overnight. Strain the water and drink it in the morning to get all its benefits. Tell us this remedy is beneficial for you in comment section.